Alright, quick dive into one of the coolest ocean animals you've probably never seen in real life. Sea dragons. 3 fast facts. Grade 7 friendly, and I'll toss in a mini challenge at the end of each fact so you remember it. Let's go. Fast fact 1. Sea dragons are the masters of disguise. They're relatives of seahorses in a family called Syngnathidae, and they come in 3 species: leafy sea dragon, weedy sea dragon, ruby sea dragon. Leafy sea dragons look like drifting seaweed, covered in frilly leaf-like appendages that aren't for swimming, they're for camouflage. Weedy sea dragons have fewer leaves and sport bright reds, yellows and purples that blend into kelp forests. Ruby sea dragons are deeper red and live farther offshore, where that red colour turns dark and helps them disappear in deeper water. They don't have teeth or a stomach. They slurp tiny prey, like mysid shrimp, through a long tube snout using suction, kind of like a vacuum straw. Mini challenge. If you had to hide in a kelp forest, would you pick leafy, weedy or ruby camouflage? Say it out loud. Fast fact 2. In sea dragon families, dads carry the eggs. During courtship, a pair dances in the water, matching movements like a slow-motion waltz. Then the female transfers a bunch of bright pink eggs onto a special patch under the male's tail. He oxygenates and protects them until they hatch, usually a few weeks later. This male pregnancy is super rare in the animal kingdom, but it's normal for seahorses, pipefish, and sea dragons. When the babies hatch, they're on their own from day one, tiny, perfectly formed mini dragons. Mini challenge, quick true or false. Male sea dragons carry the eggs. Answer true. Say true so your brain locks it in. True. Fast fact 3. Sea dragons are Aussie icons that need healthy habitats. They live in the cool southern waters of Australia. Think seagrass meadows, sponge gardens, and kelp forests. Leafy sea dragon is even a marine emblem of South Australia. They're not built for speed. They glide using a tiny fin on their back and pectoral fins near the head, plus a swim bladder for buoyancy. No pelvic fins, no flashy tail flips, just stealth and patience. Because they're specialists, they're sensitive to change. Storms that rip out kelp, warming oceans, pollution and habitat loss all make life harder for them. The good news, they're protected in Australia, and restoring seagrass and kelp helps sea dragons and thousands of other species. Mini challenge. Name one action that helps sea dragons. Example, protect kelp forests. Your turn, say 1. Lightning recap: sea dragons are epic camo artists with leaf-like appendages and straw-style mouths. Dads carry the eggs, iconic male parent move. They're Australian specialists that need clean, healthy kelp and seagrass habitats. Quick ID cheat sheet: leafy =, lots of frills. Floaty. Weedy =, slimmer, brighter patterns. Ruby =, deep red, fewer frills, deeper water. Exit challenge for you and your class. Find a picture of a kelp forest and circle 3 places a leafy sea dragon could hide. Then write 1 sentence on why camouflage beats speed in their world. Alright, that's your 3 fast facts. Save this for review, and if you ever snorkel near southern Australia, keep your eyes slow and steady. The ocean's best leaf might be looking right back at you.